The history of computers traces its roots back to the 1800s when numerous scientists embarked on the development of various computing machines. However, the modern computer as we know it today began to take shape in the 1930s when Konrad Zuse created the first programmable computer, known as the Z1. This revolutionary machine excelled at performing rapid additions and subtractions. The ENIAC was colossal, occupying a 1,500 square meter room, weighing 30 tons, and boasting 6,000 switches and 18,000 vacuum tubes. A few years later, Mauchly and Eckert went on to create UNIVAC, the first commercial computer designed for business and government applications. Another pivotal milestone in computer evolution was the replacement of vacuum tubes with transistors, which occurred in 1953 with the creation of the Manchester Transistor Computer, MTC. In the same year, Grace Hopper developed COBOL, the first computer programming language, while IBM introduced its first computer, the IBM 701. In the early 1960s, IBM launched the 7000 series of mainframe computers, including the 7030, Stretch, which was instrumental in the development of the highly successful IBM 360 series. By 1965, the Program 101 became the first desktop computer available to the general public, featuring 37 keys and a built-in printer. Around the same time, the world witnessed the introduction of the DDP-116, the first 16-bit commercial microcomputer. In 1970, Intel launched the Intel 1103, the first dynamic access memory chip. A year later, IBM invented the floppy disk, a revolutionary development for data sharing between computers. The iconic Altair 8800 made its debut in 1975, developed by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. In 1976, Apple entered the computer market with the Apple I, the first computer with a single circuit board, ROM, and keyboard. A year later, they released the Apple II, a highly successful 8-bit computer complete with a switching power supply, keyboard, case, manual game paddles, and the breakout game. In 1981, IBM launched the IBM PC based on the 4.77 MHz Intel 8088 microprocessor, running the Microsoft MS-DOS operating system. This marked a significant turning point in computer development, leading to widespread cloning and the creation of a vast array of software and peripherals. Apple made history again in 1983 with the Apple Lisa, the first personal computer featuring a graphical user interface, drop-down menus, icons, a Motorola 68000 microprocessor, 1 MB of RAM, a 12-inch black and white monitor, dual floppy disk drives, and a 5 MB hard drive. The following year, Apple introduced the Macintosh, a groundbreaking computer with a graphical user interface and the Motorola 68000 microprocessor. In 1984, Michael Dell founded PCs Limited and developed the Turbo PC, marking the beginning of Dell's prominence in the computer industry. In 1987, IBM released the Personal System/2 PS/2 featuring the Intel 80386 chip which allowed the use of a mouse for IBM computers. The 1990s witnessed an innovation by Apple with the introduction of the iMac in 1998, featuring a clear and customizable case, 4 GB hard drive, 32 MB RAM, a CD-ROM drive, and a 15-inch monitor. Apple continued to shape the 2000s with the launch of the Apple G5 in 2003, the most powerful Macintosh at the time, sporting an anodized aluminum case and claiming the title of the first true 64-bit personal computer. With the advent of the Internet in the 1990s, personal computers gained widespread use across all fields, undergoing remarkable transformations in design and performance. This evolution led to the growth of the computer components market, enabling users to create customized PC systems tailored to their specific needs. Today, we witness the remarkable capabilities of compact desktop PCs like the Apple Mac Mini, offering exceptional performance for work and gaming,